Hi everyone! In this video, we'll go over our sign-up form landing pages. To begin, click Channels and then choose Landing Pages. Click Sign Up Landing Page and then you can start building. Just like creating an email, you can pull in blocks from the left as needed and then customize them by just clicking on them. To change what information you want to collect from your contacts, click here and choose any fields you want to add from the left. You can also choose the contact list that contacts will be added to when they sign up. Mainly do SMS marketing? You can add the SMS marketing opt-in field instead of email and make that required so you can collect SMS numbers instead of email addresses. Use the Images and Design tabs to add any images and customize the fonts and colors used on the page. Each sign-up form landing page also comes with a thank you page that you can also customize. Just click Thank You here, and same as before, click the blocks to edit and customize the content. When you're finished customizing your landing page, click Continue. On the right-hand side, give your landing page a title and a brief description. In the Customize URL section, you can add a short phrase to the end of your landing page URL to make it familiar to your contacts. In the Advanced section, you can set an expiration date, add third-party analytics, or hide the page from search engine results. When you're finished, click Continue. A pop-up will display asking you to activate your form. This doesn't send it to anyone, it just publishes the page so you can share it when you're ready. After you click Activate, you can copy your landing page URL and share it anywhere you interact with your contacts. And that's how you can create a sign-up form landing page to help you grow your contact lists.